Hello dear friends, I'm Dr. BK Garg. I'm plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in New Delhi and Gurugram at Iconic Clinic. All of us are aware about benefits of fat grafting, and in my various previous videos I have discussed uses of fat grafting for breast enhancement, for buttock enhancement, or to correct any other abnormalities of contour in our body. So in today's video, I will discuss nano fat grafting or micro fat grafting. How does this special technique of fat grafting differs from normal fat grafting or commonly performed fat grafting for breast or other body organs? I hope that you will find this video useful, and in this video I would like to discuss what are the various indications, who are the right kind of candidates, on what conditions we use nano fat grafting, and is there any additional benefit with this method, and are there any special conditions which we are able to deal with, what is the downtime, and what are the possible risk or complication involved with this procedure. And if you still have more queries, you can feel free to ask me in comments or by any other means. Let us discuss what is fat grafting commonly. So in fat grafting procedure, what we do is we take out fat from some part of your body, usually your tummy area, in the lower abdomen area, or from your thighs, and then we process this fat and use it for enhancement or to add volume to desired area, which can be breast, buttocks, side of thighs, to give you more hourglass shape, or sometimes we use this for in your face also. When we use fat grafting for buttock or for large volume enhancement, we are using cannulas or tubes which are little larger in size, and we harvest large size droplets of fat which are used to inject into various body areas. These procedures are quite gratifying and very satisfying in outcome. Only limitation with this procedure is if we need very small correction, or if we are dealing with an area which is of very significant cosmetic importance, or wherein correction required is very minuscule or need very small amounts of fat, like 1 millimeter, half milliliter, or like areas under the eyes or lip augmentation or some small acne scars which need filling up. In those cases, this conventionally harvested fat may not be easy to inject because it doesn't give good control to surgeon regarding volume, or to makes it difficult to place very small amounts in one go. To overcome this, we have come up with the method of nano fat grafting. Nano fat grafting is further improvement over micro fat grafting, which again uses very small cannulas. So what we do in this procedure, I will take you through step by step. Generally, nano fat grafting is done for critically important cosmetic areas like under eyes or forehead lines, deep folds over face, lip augmentation, minor acne scars, mostly for facial procedures, sometimes for rejuvenation of hands, and because of aging you lose some fat volume there. So if you need small quantity of fat and you need it in an area where you need to place very small droplets of fat in one go for better survival and better contour control, therein we can use nano fat grafting. Nano fat grafting makes use of local anesthesia. Most commonly we inject a small area in your abdomen or your thigh to harvest fat. Fat is harvested with low vacuum syringes and very fine cannulas, sometimes around 1 millimeter or 1.5 millimeter in size, are used to harvest small droplets of fat. Once this fat is harvested, depending on how much you need, we may harvest 50 ml or 100 ml of fat, or sometimes little more than that. Once this fat is harvested, then it is processed through multi-stage process which involves filtration and emulsification. Once this fat is processed, then and we have nano fat in our hand, this fat is so fine in its texture that we can inject it using very fine bore cannulas like 28 gauge needles or 27 gauge needles can be used. Now with this fine bore cannulas or fine bore needles, we can inject very small quantities of fat into critically important areas in your face. This allows surgeon to make use of this fat in very judicious and optimum manner. We can place small quantities, even 0.1 ml, 0.2 ml can be placed at one place. So this can be used to treat your acne scars, which are pitting scars. Rather than using fillers, we can make use of fat, which is long lasting and natural material. Other than that, we can use it to fill up your under eye hollowness. We can use it to fill up any deep wrinkles also. This can also be used to augment lips if used correctly. Since we are using very small droplets of fat, the chances of survival are much higher than in case of using large droplets of fat. It gives better control to us. Apart from it adding desired volume and adding volume in a controlled manner, the second major benefit of nanofat grafting is that these fat cells have ASCs or adipose derived stem cells in it. These stem cells lead to rejuvenation of that area. So along with adding volume to desired area, it rejuvenates the skin in that area also. So we can use nanofat grafting as a procedure to enhance the look of your skin. It can rejuvenate your skin from inside by stimulating natural rejuvenating process by making use of stem cells available in the fat. So nanofat grafting is advanced and special technique which is available with few plastic surgeons. We at Iconic are doing this procedure regularly to enhance face or to correct any other abnormality where we need to add volume in very small quantities. Conventionally, for these procedures, we have been using fillers. So nanofat grafting allows us another way to look at these problems, and we can perform this procedure in most safe and hygienic environment. If you have any more queries regarding nanofat grafting, you can reach us on WhatsApp or any other means. We'll be very happy to help you. I hope that you will find this video useful. Thank you very much.